Hi, this is Jeff Blauette, technical agronomist with Cooperative Farmers Elevator, and we're going to start our new year of Field Friday for 2024. We're obviously not in the field today. We're kind of inside out of the wind and everything, but I thought it'd be kind of good to maybe touch on a little bit of a new entity that we're doing this year, and we're utilizing some of the technology that we've invested in, and we've got a project and a division now we call CFE Air. Obviously it's not airplanes, but we're doing some drone things where we're doing some drone spraying and some of those things, but there's a lot more to it. We have a lot more features that we offer with some computer diagnostics and some images of some things. So I thought I'd let our leader of our division talk about some of the capabilities of CFE Air.
Thanks, Jeff. My name is Lucas Nagel. I'm the Aerial Application Manager for CFE Air. And like Jeff mentioned earlier, we do also the drone crop spraying on corn and beans, a lot of fungicide and things like that. But today I really want to dive into the drone scouting side of things. I have with me here a Mavic M3E, which is the drone that we're using to scout fields currently. This has extreme capabilities, able to fly about 300 acres every 15-20 minutes with a 50 times zoom camera. So I would like to talk a little bit about what we're doing right now, which is stand counts. We're flying lots of acres each day right now as fields are emerging and getting VE, V1, and V2, V3 stand counts. What we're doing right now is taking a lot of pictures and processing those right at the field edge. So as soon as we fly your field, we have the data, we process it all for you, and then we shoot out that data to you so that you can see the stand counts of your fields and make those early replant decisions if that's necessary. I have an example that we'll put on the screen here of a stand count that we just flew the other day. As you can see, there's a lot of variability throughout a field, and when we see something like this, the green is the best areas, yellow is medium, and red is the worst. So our agronomists will then check this out and go look at those hard red areas and fact check what our drone is seeing and see if there's a decision that needs to be made or something we need to do in those areas. Here is a picture of a stand count that the drone took the other day. As you can see, it will count the number of plants in each picture, count the spacing, and also recognize any gaps that are in the fields. Doing that allows us to get an accurate stand count of what is in the field at each picture area. As we get later into the season, we will also be offering other services with our drone scouting. They will help us do a variety of things. We also have a couple thermal drones where we will do some heat checking and canopies, looking for hot spots, things like that. But with these drones, some of the capabilities that I want to touch on for later in the year are weed detection, plant vigor, canopy cover, water logging detection, lodging, and green snap. These are other things that we can help you get out in the field when it's not as easy to access and make some in-season decisions. If anyone has any questions on any of these services that we will be doing this year, reach out to your CFE agronomist and ask them if we can help you in these areas. That's it for this week's Field Fridays. See you next week.